Nurses are an inspiration to us all.
They're fantastic.
Attentive.
They're dedicated, they're dependable, they're caring.
Resilient.
Nurses are superheroes.
Because of nurses, I'm confident that my loved ones are being cared for.
I would put my life in their hands.
My mother's a nurse. She was a labor and delivery nurse. I remember her, she worked night shifts. I remember her coming home in the morning and we would sit at the kitchen table and she'd talk about her night, and just remember her always being happy and smiling about her job. So just, I love the stories. I thought that's what I want to do.
Funny hearing my mom say, like, listening to stories from her mom, so it's kind of the same that happened for me. I just thought to myself, like, wow, like she's so cool, like she's so brave, like I want to be a nurse. And just seeing like how, I don't know, she felt after work some days, like if it was like a happy time or a sad time, it was just neat to see the way she connected with her patients and cared about them.
Nurses, they're the backbone of healthcare, I feel like they do an amazing job and they're very dedicated to their work. And when I first had my baby, when I first got up for the first time postpartum, I had wonderful nurses at Elmer help walk me and help get me ready. And it was just great to have them there and know that if I was dizzy or wasn't feeling good, that they'd be there to help me.
Those 2 days that I was in the hospital admitted, that the two people that really come to my mind are Agnes and Dottie. There were other people, a lot of other people in the emergency room, nurses. I don't know their names, but Agnes and Dottie will always be in my mind because they were my primary nurses. And the only two words I could use to describe them are compassionate and caring.
We came in, it was the middle of the night, and he was 6 weeks early, so I didn't expect him to come then. From the labor and delivery to the NICU nurses, everyone was just amazing. We were almost sad to leave because we were like, we just have become so close to everyone here and they helped so much. So it was definitely, a great experience here, and everyone here was amazing.
I know that there was quite a few nurses that really took care of me. I remember one of them being Mary Ann Harris. She was good with me. She helped me through everything.
My wife was very, very sick, and I wasn't prepared for that. I don't know that anybody can really be prepared for that. And when I saw her, my heart was breaking, but my mind started to break. And Nurse Harris was on at the time, and she saw something, and she sat me down and sat next to me. She understood that in order to take care of my wife, I had to be there, I had to be involved, I had to be well. And she made the difference.
It's a passion. You have to have that passion to love what you do. And emotionally, yeah, sometimes you're the only person there when that person is taking their last breath. But personally, it's rewarding to actually be able to do that, to be there for that patient, to be there for the families. My daughter, Tracy, is at the top of my list as a superhero nurse.
The past 2 years have really been hard with COVID, but as nurses, we've persevered, we've come through it, and we've done that together. And we've done that remembering why we went into nursing for the first place, and we kept our patients and each other at the forefront.
You're a person that I could get a hug from if I needed to, somebody that would understand. You're a key and pivotal point to our recovery, the recovery of our parents and loved ones. You're the focal point for information. You got a lot of heavy lifting to do, and sometimes I can imagine you would wish it would just be a profession that would be like anything else, but it is true. When you tell me you're a nurse, I know exactly who you are, and we thank you for that.
We can't thank you enough for everything you did for not only, Rhett, but us as well. You made us feel at home, you made us feel comfortable. He got all the care that he needed because of you guys, and we want to thank you so much.
Never forget how important you are to patients and people, and take care of yourself first so that you can take care of patients. but never forget how needed you are at Inspira and at any other institution.
If you ever felt down, if you ever felt like you didn't make a difference, stop it. It's not true. We're not the only ones that you've taken care of, and we're not the only lives you've saved. And it's not just the patient, it is the family, and you make the difference.
I don't think I'd ever pick any other profession to do. Like, this has been the most rewarding, eye-opening career I've ever had.
I'm proud to watch her blossom in her career. I'm happy that I was able to kind of be a mentor, I guess, for her, and for her to see, how wonderful nursing is.
You're my hero.
You're my hero, too. To all the nurses here at Inspira, thank you for everything you do every day. You are truly appreciated.